Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Firstly, go into settings and tap on themes. Then you need to tap on the loop and type whatever you want to. When you're done, tap on the theme that you like the best and choose download. Now tap on apply and wait. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always go into settings, choose themes again, but this time click on the three lines at the top left corner, then choose my stuff and tap on default. Choose apply and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!